In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix toolbar missing in Google Sheets. If the top toolbar in your spreadsheet suddenly disappears, don't worry. This usually happens because Sheets is in a compact or full screen view. I'll walk you through opening Google Sheets and restoring that toolbar in just a couple of quick actions. Start by going to Google in your web browser. On the Google homepage, look to the top right and click the small grid icon. This is the Google Apps Launcher, and it gives you quick access to all your Google tools. From the panel that opens, choose Sheets. That will take you to the Google Sheets home screen, where you can see your recent files. Next, open the spreadsheet where you're seeing the missing toolbar. Click the file to load it. Give it a moment to fully open so the interface elements have time to appear. If your toolbar still isn't visible at the top, use the keyboard shortcut to toggle it back. Press Ctrl, Shift, and F together. This shortcut turns the compact or full screen view on and off, which is often the reason the toolbar disappears. After pressing it, you should see the standard menus and the formatting toolbar reappear across the top of your sheet. If nothing happens the first time, click once inside the sheet to make sure it's active. Then try the shortcut again. On some keyboards, especially laptops, you may need to hold the function key if your F keys are mapped to hardware controls. If you prefer not to use a keyboard shortcut, you can reveal the toolbar with a quick click in the interface. Look toward the top right of the sheet, near where the Share button and Comments area usually sit. You'll see a small arrow icon that points up or down. When it points up, the menus are visible. When it points down, they're hidden. Click that arrow to expand the menus and bring the toolbar back. It's a simple toggle, so you can use it anytime you want a little more room on your screen, and then switch back when you need the tools. That's all there is to it. Open Google Sheets from the Google Apps Launcher, open your document, then either press Ctrl+Shift+F to exit Compact View, or use the small arrow at the top right to show the menus. With these two options, you can quickly restore the toolbar and get back to formatting, filtering, and editing without interruption. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your Sheets workspace exactly how you like it.